Today, I'm sharing 2 last-minute holiday appetizers you can make in just minutes. No cooking, no stress. A creamy boursin holiday wreath with fig jam and pistachios, and a pepper jelly pecan Christmas tree made with simple cream cheese. Festive, fast, and so delicious. And there you have it, last-minute holiday appetizers that look stunning and take almost no effort at all. Perfect for parties, potlucks, or when guests drop by. Thank you for watching and happy holidays! See you next time!